Yeah, I really like how the Mad Burger came up here. I like the colors, orange, darker gray. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. I'd probably take this best burger in town and just make it just a tad smaller. So your head to your font size is 30. Let's just go down to like 26 and see how that looks. Yeah, so I think that you really want your name to stand out as much as possible on that. I also think you need to use that orange for your colors here to bring out the definition or your definition terms. Now you have some extra space here, but you don't have the extra space between the other ones. So let's take a look at that. Um, so on your menu, you have the DL, DT cheeseburger. Okay, so let's look over here with the styles. Oh, there's the definition term. Yeah, a little padding on the right. Okay. So what you could do here is add a DL and add a little padding at the bottom. Oh, did I not say that correctly? Well, let's see here. DL. Um, no, not DL. Sorry, DD. DD. That's the reason why. DD. Yeah, see that extra space? No, so why does that have so much spacing there? Oh, the reason is you got this closing DL tag here, and the closing DL tag should go all the way down here at the bottom. So that is the reason. So we're going to cut out that closing DL, and we're going to put it down here at the bottom. Okay, so that's going to cause an issue with your styling not to show up. So there, see that, and then what I would suggest doing is then using the color, that orange color. Come down here, I'm going to add it to the DT. Oh, I guess that's the wrong color. I thought that was the orange. So, but you could, change it up so it'd be a little bit different. Oh yeah, actually, I kind of like that gray. The gray might work as well. But you want to add a little extra into that. I think also what'd be nice is if you go back in after, like for example, your definition, you can put in two DDs. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the price. And then what I'm going to do is with that DD, I'm going to add a class to this. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is copy this, and I'm going to paste it after every DD and then change the pricing. Okay. Now what it's going to look like, see how it puts it down right below it? So what you can do here, you can do a couple things. Some people want to put it here on the right hand side. What you could do is actually, let me just take one. You can move this, you can cut this out and put it before the first DD, instead of doing it afterwards. And then what you do is you come in, add a class, dot price, okay, and we're going to tell it to float to the right side. Okay, that's going to put it on the right hand side of the place. Let's change the font size. Okay, you can add a different color. You can make it bold. Now, what will happen is, see how the price is going to go over here on the right? And so it kind of lines it up with the definition. Now, notice this $12.99 does not. The $12.99 is supposed to be from the turkey burger, and that's because you would have to move this before this definition. So listen, watch what happens here. We'll move it before the definitions, save it, refresh it. So now it's kind of going in. You can see it. Now just knowing, going across, making it easier to read, something like that might work. And you could do that for all your, your salads as well.